Looking for the best action camera to capture your adventures? Whether you're into extreme sports, vlogging, or just need a reliable camera for outdoor activities, we've got you covered. These top 5 action cameras offer excellent performance, durability, and features to suit all your needs. Let's dive in and explore the best options for 2025. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Great budget action camera. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is our 5th pick, but it's still an excellent choice for those on a budget. It offers amazing 5K video quality thanks to its new 23.6 megapixel sensor, which is a big upgrade from earlier models. The camera features hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization with horizon leveling, making sure your footage is super steady, even in tough conditions. It's waterproof up to 33 feet without needing extra housing and is built to handle rough environments. The dual-screen design includes a 2.27-inch rear touchscreen and a 1.4-inch front color display, making it perfect for vlogging. The battery life is improved, with a 1,720 mAh capacity that lets you record for up to 90 minutes in 4K. Video options include 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. It also has Time Warp 3.0 for creating time-lapse videos, scheduled capture for automatic recording, and hindsight to capture moments before you hit record. Other cool features include 20MP photos, live streaming support, and the ability to use it as a webcam. Overall, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a solid choice for capturing high-quality action footage at an affordable price. Number 4. The OM System TG7. The TG7's impressive durability makes it a standout rugged camera, being waterproof to 15 shockproof from 2.1 drops, crushproof to 100 kilograms, dustproof, and freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius. The camera features a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, paired with a bright f/2.0 to 4.9 lens, offering 4 times optical zoom. Its macro capabilities are exceptional, with a 1 cm minimum focusing distance and up to 44.4x magnification. Video capabilities include 4K at 30p recording and high-speed options up to 480 frames per second in lower resolutions. The built-in GPS and field sensors track location, temperature, and altitude data. The 3-inch LCD screen offers improved color reproduction, while USB-C connectivity enables convenient charging. The camera includes specialized modes like underwater photography, construction, and time-lapse. Battery life extends to approximately 330 shots, and the dual-pane protective glass prevents fogging and extreme temperature changes. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro delivers exceptional battery life with up to 240 minutes of continuous recording time. This rugged action camera features a CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at up to 120 frames per second and 40 megapixel still photos. It boasts dual OLED touchscreens with high brightness and impressive waterproofing, up to 20 without a case or 60 with the included waterproof housing. The camera incorporates advanced stabilization features, including Rocksteady 3.0 and 360 degrees horizon steady for smooth footage. With 64 GB of built-in storage, 10-bit color recording, and D-Log-M support, it offers professional-grade capabilities. The device includes 3 built-in microphones for stereo audio capture and supports wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi 6.0. Its compact form factor and lightweight design make it ideal for action sports and outdoor activities. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its exceptional hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, making handheld footage look professionally stabilized. This rugged action camera captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, while offering extreme slow-motion capabilities up to 400 frames per second at 720p. The 27-megapixel sensor maintains the versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, allowing users to crop footage into various formats, including 16:9, 9:6, and 4:3. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it's waterproof to 33 feet without additional housing and features a durable construction that can handle drops and impacts. The new 1,900 mAh Enduro battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p, with about 65 minutes at 5.3K resolution. A significant upgrade is the new HB series lens mod system, featuring auto-detecting lenses, including macro and ultra-wide options. The camera supports multiple color profiles, including 10-bit HDR, HLG, and GP log for professional color grading. Dual screens, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity round out this capable action camera's feature set. The magnetic mounting system adds convenience while maintaining compatibility with traditional GoPro mounts. Number 1. The Insta360 Ace Pro. This is the best action camera you can buy on the market and excels in low-light performance, thanks to its sensor and Leica lens combination. This action camera captures video at up to 8K at 24 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second, with a 48-megapixel photo capability. The device features a unique flip-up screen that aids in self-filming and low-angle shots, while maintaining durability with waterproofing up to 10 without a case. The camera's pure video technology, powered by a dedicated 5nm chip, enhances dynamic range and stabilization while reducing noise. Its clarity zoom feature enables 2x zoom with minimal quality loss. The 1650 mAh battery provides approximately 100 minutes of continuous 4K recording with fast charging capability, reaching 80% in 22 minutes. Build quality is robust with a rugged chassis, though at 179.8 g, it's heavier than some competitors. The magnetic mounting system allows quick transitions between mounting points. The fixed lens protector, while durable, isn't replaceable. Video quality shows excellent detail and color reproduction, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The camera includes features like wind noise reduction, star-lapse modes, and pre-recording options, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. So, that sums up my top 5 action cameras. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out.